How does it feel to do homework in a language you don't know well? Let's see their struggle to complete their Indonesian assignments. For the final challenge, they'll get homework to complete. Who will finish it perfectly? They've worked so hard. Don't forget to support them with a like, share, and subscribe.
Yay, good. Wow. Very good. Thank you. Good job.